How to create TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok account step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the sign up button which can be seen at the bottom. And now here, on this page, you can sign up using your phone number, email or social media accounts like Facebook, Google or Apple. So here, just for this video, I'm going to simply continue with Google. So here, I'm going to simply tap on continue with Google. And after that, I simply have to select the account. So here, I'm going to simply choose the account. And once I'm done choosing the account, on the next page, I simply have to enter my birthday. So simply enter your birthday too, and once you're done with it, just tap on continue. And here, and once you're done with that, you simply have to create a nickname for yourself, or you can simply skip it. But I'm gonna simply create my nickname and simply tap on continue. And that's it. You now have created a TikTok account and can start watching, posting, and share videos. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.